In a major development ahead of the upcoming assembly elections, the Union Cabinet has approved the proposal to rename the state of Kerala as Keralam. The announcement was made by Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw after a cabinet meeting chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Seva Teerth, the Prime Minister's new office complex. The move comes just weeks before the state goes to polls in April, making the decision politically significant as well as culturally important. The demand to rename Kerala is not new. In June 2024, the Kerala Legislative Assembly anonymously passed a resolution asking the centre to officially change the state's name to Keralam. Lawmakers argued that in Malayalam, the state's official language, the name has always been Keralam. They said the current name Kerala does not fully reflect the linguistic and cultural identity of the state. The assembly also pointed out that Indian states were recognized on linguistic lines on November 1, 1956, a day celebrated as Kerala Piravi Day. The idea of a united land for Malayalam-speaking people goes back to the time of India's independence movement. However, in the Constitution first schedule, the state is officially listed as Kerala, and changing it requires a legal process under Article 3 of the Constitution. Now, after the Cabinet's approval, the President will send the Kerala Bill 2026 to the Kerala Legislative Assembly for its views. Once the Assembly responds, the Centre will seek the President's recommendation to introduce the bill in Parliament. Only after Parliament passes the bill will the name change become official. If approved, Kerala will formally become Keralam, making a symbolic step towards aligning the state's official name with its linguistic and cultural roots.